Today I have for you guys Nail Shaq. I love this packaging. Look at the holographic sticker, and the packaging itself is like a purplish silvery, just beautiful shiny. Love this packaging. If you want to know more about Nail Shaq, just stick around for the rest of this video. Hello, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. We are going to be unboxing Nail Shaq. If you have never heard of Nail Shaq, let me explain what it is. Deanna over at Nail Shaq did send this to me to review for you all, and she did give me a code along with it. It is Galore in all caps. I will put it right here on the screen, and when you use that code, you receive 20% off your first month. These cost $12.95 a month, and like I said, you get 4 sets, so that's like a set a week. If they last longer on you, then you'll have more nail strips than that. If you do multiple months, like 6 months or 12 months, you do get to save a little bit more. So if you sign up for multiple months at a time, just a heads up, this will be a little bit cheaper. Nail strips are like nail polish in sticker form. I've used them a couple of times. I like them better than regular nail polish just because I can never paint my nails and then let it set and dry. Like you do the base coat, you do the layers of coloring, you do the top coat. It takes forever, and I always smudge my nails, and it's always just like a mess. And I never get nice, good looking nails. So I like nail strips. They're very quick and easy to apply to your nails. Another thing I like about nail strips over nail polish is nail polish chips very, very quickly on my nails. The longest nail polish usually lasts without any chips is 3 days. 3 days is not a very long time, and so I usually only paint my nails if I'm going to something or want to look nice for something. Generally, I don't paint them on a Monday and expect them to look good for that weekend if I'm want to go out on a date or whatever. So I will generally put press-on nails because that will last longer. Usually press-on nails last me a whole week, and with the nail polish not chipping and that kind of a thing. So I do wear press-ons, but not very often, because when they come off, my nails just feel really dried. They peel a lot more, and I have very thin, flimsy nails. I've talked about that in the past. I received this nail oil. It's supposed to be a strengthening nail oil, and I got this back in a what box was that? Single swag box many months ago, and I use this almost every single night on my nails. It has helped with the peeling. Like, my nails used to peel a ton, and then that just makes them more flimsy than they already are. So it has helped with the peeling. So in that sense, they are a little bit stronger because there's more layers to my nails, but they're still very, very thin compared to most nails. Very flimsy still. Let's see what kind of nail strips we got this month, and then I will go ahead and put them on and show you my nails before and after, which they're kind of scary right now. The reason I generally don't wear nail polish is because it chips within a couple of days, and it's just a pain. Like right now, just opening that package, this nail right here just broke the corner of it. So yeah, my nails break super easy just opening that envelope. But nail strips last about a week on my fingers, and so that is really, really nice, and I enjoy wearing nail strips. Okay, so in here we do have a instructional page in case you have never worn nail strips. It just goes over the whole steps on how to apply your nails, or the nail strips, to your nails. They do not harm your natural nails, which is fantastic because, like I said, I love wearing press-ons, but they harm my natural nails. There's no drying time, also no smudging. It's a way healthier, alternative, long-lasting option, which is great. I love the no drying time. I love the no smudging because, like I said, I just always ruin my nail polish. Plus, these guys come in some super cute designs that I could never do on my own nails because I'm not a talented nail artist, nor do I have the time or money to go to a nail salon on a regular basis and have my nails done. So it's a convenient, cheaper at-home option. And it's something like you could do with your girlfriends, you could do with your kids, your sisters, whatever. Like, you don't have to do it by yourself. If you want to have like a girls' night or if you want to do it with your kids, you can. And anyhow, enough rambling. Super cute wrapping, and she has a sticker on here, a Nail Shaq sticker that seals it all together. And here is our little nail file, just blue with some polka dots. This reminds me of like spring Easter. Super cute. It's a nice little nail file. Is it one that's going to last you a long time? No. But you get a new one each month. So these kind of nail files don't last long anyhow. And it's not like a one and done. You'll never get another one. You get a new one each time you get a new subscription. So that's always a good thing to have on hand. And then our nail stickers. Ooh. So this is our first one. These are kind of like a marble looking stickers with a pretty design on them. I really like the glittering gold on them. I think that's so pretty. I don't know how well the camera is picking that up. And then we have these like pale pink and silver glittery ones. There you go. Super cute designs. I like these polka dot ones here. The silver on them is almost kind of reflective. And then we have some pretty blue floral ones, and we have like a darker blue, lighter blue, and then some with florals. And just the designs on them are so pretty. Here's some hot pink ones. These are definitely like spring, summer, just bright, fun, beautiful nails. There they are all together. I love them. I think they're gorgeous, and you have so many to choose from. Okay, so I have removed any nail polish that I had on my nails. I filed my nails down to make the edges nice and smooth and kind of shaped, but when they're short like this, it's hard to shape them. And I've pushed my cuticles back. I have taken out the nail polish strips that I want to use, and I decided to go with these blue ones here. I am going to take some scissors and cut these strips in half. And I do this because my nails are so short that it doesn't use very much of that strip. And so I can definitely get 2 uses per strip. So I'm going to start with my pinky on my right hand. Because I'm left-handed, it's easier for me to do my right hand first. I'm going to take off this clear plastic strip on top like the instructions tell you to. And then I'm going to just take the scissors and cut the nail strip in half. Right-handed scissors, okay. Okay. And then once they're in half like this, I can peel off the backing. If I can get it with my teeny tiny nails, oh my goodness. There we go. Okay. So now I have my nail sticker, and I'm just going to place it on my nail and not touching my cuticle, almost to my cuticle. There we go. And then I'm going to just press this down on both sides. And what I like to do is, as I go down towards the tip of my finger, I like to push it down over the edge of my nail. That way it is covering the edge of my nail. I don't have to worry about it like chipping later on. It does last a little bit longer. And then I will try to use what little nail I have. If I can't, I will use the file here, but I will try to use my own nail to break it underneath this my other nail. And so I'll just kind of go around and push it under my nail, and you can see now there is a crease, and it is creased under my nail. And then I'll just keep going back and forth. Because my nails are short, it is a little bit harder for it to break off, but it will eventually break off. Come on. I say that, but it's not wanting to. Okay. So since it's not wanting to break, my nails, like I've said, are very short. Sometimes they don't always cooperate. I will take the nail file underneath that nail. So there you have it. These are my nails. So there you go. A little bit different than my normal videos, but I did want to show you the application process and how I apply them. I still have a whole other side plus 3 more, so I could get 2 applications out of each one, which gives me 8 different applications, and that's fantastic. I absolutely love that. I think for me with short nails, it's amazing, super fast. It took me 17 minutes to do them all, and this will last way longer than nail polish. It's way faster than nail polish. Yeah, I did mess up a little bit. There's a slight pucker here and there. Is it perfect? Not if you look, no, it's not. If you look close enough, you can see little imperfections. However, I don't wear them that often. I've only worn them probably 4 or 5 other times. I did notice these ones didn't want to break as easily. So like normally I can just take my nail under them and use my nail to crease it and get to break. These ones, they did not. Even with the nail file, I had to file them quite a bit to get that to file through them and get that extra come off. So there is that. They are, I don't know, I'm hoping that because they were more stubborn to come apart, that maybe they'll last a little longer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know, have you worn nail strips? Do you like them? Do you not like them? What are your pros and cons about them? Have a wonderful day. Bye!